scores, knowing your number. A credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. I've never met anyone with a 300 credit score, and it's very hard to find people with 800 credit scores. And if you do have an 800 credit scores, man, good for you. You've been very responsible and done a lot of work to get that score. This score influences your ability to secure a mortgage, as lenders use it to assess the risk of lending to you and determine the interest rate you may qualify for. So the impact of your credit score. A lot of people think, oh, I can't get a home. I have bad credit. So what is the real impact of credit on your mortgage? Well, first off, there's always guidelines for minimum scores, right? So FHA, like we talked about, allows for like a 580 credit score. So you can get a little bit low there. Anything kind of lower, the 560s, 580s, in there, and then we need to do some work on getting that thing a little bit higher. But if you're in that score, that 580 range, whatever, it doesn't rule you out. It might just take some other things along the way to kind of push the loan through. But higher credit scores give you better loan terms, lower interest rates, and a higher chance of mortgage approval. So lower credit scores are on the flip side of that. They might limit your options on what type of loans we were able to present to you. It might increase your cost of your mortgage payment with higher interest rates. So a higher interest rate equals a higher monthly payment, right? And more interest that you're paying kind of over the lifespan of the loan. So understanding your credit score is key to navigating the home loan process effectively, but it is not the end all be all, right? The better your score, the better interest rate you're going to get, which is going to lower your payments, right? So that's basically it. I mean, it really doesn't rule you out unless it's too low. And in that case, we've had plenty of clients that are in the low 500s where we work with them, we get their credit report, we see what they need to do, okay, and then we work on that over the next 4 or 5 months. We get their scores where they need to be. Now we're ready to move forward, right? So it's not the end all be all. It's just a big kind of a marker in the process. So the next thing we're going to talk about here is your time.